Hello. Today we are going to cut off some suckers. See these branches right here? These are coming off of my rose bush. And you can tell they are suckers because these roses actually are grafted. So if you go down, you'll see where it's grafted. There's a knot right there. And if it's coming out of the knot or above it, then chances are it is the grafted. But if it's coming out of the dirt or underneath the knot like these ones are, let's get on over here, right over here, and see that one right there? It's actually coming up out of the ground, of the base. Same with this one right here, going that way, this little one coming off here. So we got two big ones coming up out of there, and that one right there. And the problem with suckers is they take all the nutrients and they will kill the graft to the grafted part of your rose. And if you can look at it, you'll see the leaf pattern is actually different. That's how you can tell that they're suckers. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and cut that off. First, what you want to do, like here, go down over here where it's coming up and dig it down and try to find the root where it's coming off of. Alright, right there, it's coming right off the root right there. The knot ball is right up there where the grafting is. So, and these are coming down below the graft, so that's how you can tell it is the original plant, which is not a good thing. Because you usually bought that rose for the graft, not for the original plant. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use my snippers, and we're going to cut that off as close as we can to the base. Alright, let me go ahead and do that. So now I got it cut off, just like that. And they do sell a product like at Home Depot or Lowe's that you can put on there. It'll keep it from getting infected or just continue growing. Or you can use Elmer's multi-purpose glue. What you do is just put if you're using the glue, it takes longer to dry. You just put the glue on it, cover it with the glue, and then let it fully dry before you cover it back with dirt. And that's all you need to do. And now the nutrients are going to go back to the grafted part of the plant instead of being wasted on the original plant. Let's go ahead and put some glue on that. And that's all you need to do is just cover it real nicely. Make sure it's fully covered, just like that right there. And now we're just going to let it go ahead and sit, and about an hour it'll be dry. And we'll go ahead and just cover it with some dirt. Get a little dirt underneath there so it doesn't all run off, but there we go. Alright, simple as that. Let it dry and then go ahead and cover it. But that's how easy it is to take off suckers. And make sure, and the suckers are always going to be coming out from below the knot, of the grafting knot, and down from the roots and out of the dirt. So anyway, they could come anywhere from along here, down here, or clear out of the dirt way over here where the roots are. So, alright y'all, thanks for watching. Bye.